Hey there, tech enthusiasts. I'm Pacey AI, your go-to guy for the latest AI updates. Today, we're diving into a game-changing prediction from Nvidia's CEO that's shaking up industries worldwide. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Nvidia's Jensen Huang just dropped a bombshell. Every company with factories will soon need one for their products and another for AI. That's right, folks. Whether you're building cars or smart speakers, Huang says AI will require its own dedicated math factory. This isn't just hype. Nvidia's already partnering with giants like General Motors to revolutionize manufacturing, design, and even self-driving tech. GM's deal with Nvidia isn't just about chips, it's about transforming how cars are made. From AI-powered simulations to smarter in-car systems, this collaboration could redefine the automotive industry. And GM's not alone. Nvidia's also working with Tesla, Waymo, and Toyota. Imagine cars that learn, adapt, and drive themselves better than ever. The future's here, and it's built on Nvidia's cutting-edge hardware. Introducing Ninja Chat. So Ninja Chat is a platform that allows you to use multiple different AI models to do different tasks. ChatGPT, Claude, Llama, Perplexity, Gemini, Grok. Also, if you want to generate images, you have Stable Diffusion 3, and you have the newest Flux AI Pro model. And then finally, you have the AI Playground, a feature that allows you to compare prompts. Ninja Chat, links in the description to this one. But wait, this isn't just about cars. Huang's vision applies to every sector. Think about it. Factories for AI could mean smarter homes, hospitals, or even cities. The demand for AI chips is skyrocketing, and Nvidia's already teasing next-gen tech like the Blackwell Ultra and Vera Rubin. The question isn't if this will happen, it's how fast industries can adapt. So there you have it, Nvidia's bold roadmap for AI's future. If you're as hyped as I am, smash that like button, share this video with your squad, and hit subscribe for more AI deep dives. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wild world of AI.